Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 14 sum. Let's see the question. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 15. They have asked for sum and the number should be a odd number. So odd numbers means odd numbers between. In case if starts with the odd number, we can't take the odd number because it is between. Between means the number should be in between these two number. Leaving these two, the number should be in between. So the next odd number after 0 is 1, then 3, it goes on till 49. Before the odd number is before 50, the odd number will be 49. So I want the sum of this. For that we need to find n. We don't know how many odd numbers are here. For finding n, just write the last number to be an. If we know the last number placed in which number, then we can find the number of terms, total number of terms. Here substitute the formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 14. And always remember, if you don't know n, let the last number is equal to your an. We can find the n. Here a is a equal to 1 and d equal to a2 minus a1, that is d equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. So we know a, we know d, substitute here. A is 1 plus n minus 1 we don't know, and d is 2 equal to 49. Bring 2 to this side, n minus 1 into 49 into 2, 49 minus 1 will become 48. I am bringing 2 to this side, it comes as a divide. So n minus 1 is equal to 48 by 2. Cancel this. 2 2s are, 2 4s are. So n is equal to 424 plus 1. If 1 comes to this side, it comes as plus 1. So n is equal to 25. We found n. We need to find S25. The number of term here is 25. So S25, as I told before, we know a, we know d. Now we know n. Just substitute in the formula. 25 by 2. No need of d. We can directly write 1 plus 49. We can go with the formula of Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Because we know the last number, we can directly substitute in this formula. It will be quite easy then, substituting in n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 1 and last number is 49. Now this becomes 25 by 2 into 50. 25 are 25 square is 625. So S25 is equal to 625. That's all with the sum. Thank you.